In this video, I am going to teach you how to add a PayPal donation button to your YouTube channel so your viewers can support you directly. This is a simple way to accept tips or contributions. Make sure you already have a PayPal account with your donation link ready. Let's get started. First, go to YouTube and click your profile at the top right corner. This will open your YouTube account menu. Next, choose YouTube Studio. In the option, you'll be taken to your creator dashboard. Then, scroll down on the left sidebar and choose Customization. This is where you can change how your channel looks and works. At the Profile section, scroll down and find the Links option, then click Add Link. This allows you to add custom clickable links to your channel banner. Next, give the link a title. For this video, I will put Donate. Choose a clear name so viewers know what it's for. Then, paste your PayPal link into the URL box. Make sure the link is correct so it directs people straight to your donation page. Lastly, to save it, click Publish at the top. Now the donation button will appear on your channel banner. And that's how you add a PayPal donation button to your YouTube channel. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tech guides. See you next time!